Dear student, good evening. How are you all? I think all of you fine and steady at your home. Stay safe and practice math. Today I'll discuss creative question from chapter 7. The name of the chapter is multiples and factors. Creative question 1. At first we should understand the question, then we'll go for a solution. That means at first you'll read the scheme very carefully and attentively. And while you are reading a scheme, then you'll decide how what are the information in the scheme. And when you read the question based on that scheme, then you'll decide how will you use the information from the scheme to solve the problem. So let's read the scheme first. There are two bells. Bell A rings every 8 minutes. Bell B rings every 6 minutes. The bells ring together at noon. So here the statement says there are two bells. One bell ring after every 8 minutes again and again, and bell B rings after 6 minutes again and again. Here you can understand that there is some clock at your home. After a certain period of time, the bell start to ring in the clock. It is also like this one. The bells ring together at noon. At noon means 12. So one bell rings after 8 minutes, another bell rings after 6 minutes, and two bells together ring at 12. So this is the information. 8 minutes, 6 minutes, then again they ring together at 12. So what is the problem based on this system? What is done to find out after what minimum time will the bell ring together again? So next time when will they ring together, that one we have to find out. So in case of this map for chapter multiples and factors, you always keep some words in your mind. When you get the word minimum, then you have to find out the LCM. When you get the word maximum, you have to find out the HCF or the CF. LCM means lowest common factor, and HS means highest common factor. So when you get the word minimum, then you must do the LCM. So first one, we understood that here we have to do the LCM of the given number 8 minutes and 6 minutes. Okay, what is done to find out after what minimum time will the bells ring together again? So first one answer is very clear to here in this question it is asked to know about the process. Which process will you do to find out or to solve the problem? After what time will the bell ring together again? Here we'll find out after what time the bell will ring together again. So here we'll do the LCM of 6 and 8, and what we get, that one we'll add that one with at noon means 12. So which minute we get after doing the LCM of this, that one will add at 12, then we'll get the result. If the bells began ringing after every 12 and 15 minutes, after what minimum times will the bell ring together again? This and this are also same, but here you find out the LCM of the 6 and 8, but here you will find out the LCM of 12 and 15. So let's go for the solution. Question number 1a, solution. LCM of 8 and 6 to be found out for determining when the bells will ring together. So when anyone asks you for anything minimum, then you must do the LCM. So you got the answer. Now go for the question number 1b. The LCM of 6 and 8, we have to find out the LCM of 6 and 8 for finding out the required time when the bell ringing again together. So if you want to find out the LCM, you have to find out you have to write the multiples of each of the numbers separately. So multiples of the 6. What is the multiples? Multiples means the number which we get by multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in that way. So here we multiply 6 first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. So 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42. In that I will get the multiple. Then we will give here 3 dot 1 2 3, not more than 3, because each dot had a particular meaning. So here we will give the 3 dot. As the multiples is unlimited, that is why we give you a 3 dot. That means it is unlimited. We can find many multiples. But here up to 6 is okay, because we'll get the result, lowest common one. We can guess what is the lowest common one for multiples of 6 and 8. So multiples of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, and 8 7 is 56. So here we got the lowest common one. Look here, if we match this 24 and 24. We have done it in this slide again. Okay, the LCM of 6 and 8, multiples of 6, multiples of 8. Here the lowest common multiples is 24. So the LCM is 24. So we got the LCM. So after minimum 24 minutes, the bell will ring together. So the next time the bell will ring together at 12:24. As it is mentioned in the stream, it is ring together at 12. Next time when it will ring together. So if we add 24 minutes with the 12, then it is 12:24 p.m. So our answer is at 12:24 p.m. Next, go for question number 1C, solution. Here also just the number is different, but we have to find out the LCM. The LCM of the 12 and 15, so we have to find out the multiples of 12. We have to find out the multiples of 15. Okay, multiples 12, we multiply the 12 at first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, in that way. Where we guess, we get the common multiples, lowest common one, there we can stop. So multiples of 12 is written. Then multiples 15, 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 44, 15 5 ja 60, 15 6 so 15 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 is 75. It is written here. Here the lowest common multiple is 60. So the LCM is 60. So answer is the bell will ring together after 60 minutes or 1 hour again. 60 minutes is converted into 1 hour. So we got our right. So I hope that all of you understand. If you have any problem, you can mention in the comment box. I try to help you. So CQ2, there are 45 apples and 18 oranges to Russell. He wants to distribute apples and oranges equally to maximum number of children without any remaining. So the estimate is given, 45 apples are there, 18 oranges are there, and Russell want to distribute that one equally to maximum number of children. So maximum, minimum is very important. When you get the word minimum, you do the LCM. When you get the word maximum, you do HCF. So what are the question based on this step? Find the number of the children. Very simple. We'll find the number of the children. How? We do the HCF of 45 and 18. Then we'll get the number of children. How many apples do each children get? If we divide the number of apples by the number of the children, we'll get that one very easily. And how many oranges do each children will get? Here also we'll get this one very easily. If we divide the number of oranges by the number of the child, then we'll get the answer very easily. So let's go for the solution. Question number 1A, solution, the HCF of 45 and 18. For LCM, we'll always list the multiples of the given number. But for HCF, we always list the factors of the given number. So here factors of 45, factors are limited. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. The short question which is given earlier, we have explained there what is factors, what is multiples, how to get the factors, how to get the multiples. So factor is the numbers by which we can divide a number evenly. That is means if we divide by this number, if we divide 45 by 1 3 5 9 15 and 45, there will be no remainder. So all of them are the factors of 45. Then factors of 18, 1 3 1 2 3 6 9 18. If we divide the 18 by this number, there will be no remainder. So you have to divide by yourself, at first by 1, then by 2, then go for 3, then go for 4. No, 4 you cannot divide 18 by 4, so 4 is not the factor. So 5 you cannot divide by 5, 18 by 5, so 5 is not the factor. In that I will go for the factor. Okay, factors are limited, and always 1 and the number itself must include in the factor. So here the highest common factor is 9, so the HCF is 9, so the number of child is 9. So we got the answer for the problem 1. So now go for question number 1b. From A we got total number of children is 9. So total number of apple is given 45 in our stream. So each child will get apples. 45 division 9 equal 5. Answer 5 apples. I told you earlier, number of apples will be divided by the number of child. Then we'll get how many apples will get each of the child. Question number 1c. Again, total number of oranges, it is given in the stream. It is 18. So each child will get oranges. Number of oranges is divided by number of child 2. So answer is 2 oranges. SW, practice CQ1 and CQ2 at home by yourself. I hope that all of you make the notes, collect the notes in your home copies, SW copy at home, which we have shared in a big group and also in WhatsApp. You will practice that one. If you face any problem, you will share with me. We'll practice more secure in the upcoming classes. Until then, Allah Hafiz.